Welcome to a new video of Mario Cat. Cat Mario. This game is supposed to be very hard. This game is supposed to be a pain in the ass. But you people know we are the best gamers in the entire world of gaming. So welcome. My name is... Today we're gonna beat Cat Mario. Now to be completely honest, this is... Oh my god. Hell yeah! Easy game! Oh my god, but it slides so fast. It's crazy. Let's get some go... What? Hello? Okay, so the game is supposed to be like full... What is that? Oh my god. Wait, hold on. So the game is supposed to be full of traps and rigs and stuff to make you... mad. And I don't know exactly why do we have... Wait, I wanna get this, I don't care, hold on. Oh my god. Stop sliding! Okay, fine. Whoa! I don't know what I did, but it worked! Hell yeah, 1. 2. Can we go inside? Convenient! Very freaking convenient! I keep forgetting about this. Okay, let's not hit anything here, let's just... fall down and die. Wow, we have -2 lives left. Incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, I can jump on them. Wait. Bonus points! Let's go! Ah! Okay, hold on. Let's let them fall down. What was that then? So Cat Mario is a Mario game. If you've never played Mario, I can't explain to you what Mario is because... Can I stop going there? Please! I need to focus! Oh my god. Hold on. Nah. There's something rigged here. There's something bad. There's something wrong either with my brain or with the game. Hold on. Slides. It just slides. It just wants to fucking slide. Stop. I forgot. Fuck. What? Okay, hold on. I want to go back, but I don't have time to go back. He slides too much. Go! What? Oh, there's checkpoints. Oh yeah, the blue flag thing. What was that? What do you mean it kills me? Fine. God damn it. How many lives do I have? Okay. Hell yeah, coin! Easy. Huh! Ah, what a fun game! Hold on. Okay, so... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We fell to our death. We fell to our... I don't know, hell. Something. I remember playing Mario when I was like, oh no, I'm fucked. Now I'm fucked. God damn it! What is this? Stop! Okay. 1, 2. What? 1. 2. Please. Do we get... What? Of course. I'll tell you the story after I finish this level. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm gonna be dreaming this sound tonight. And we're 8 minutes into the video. And I'm still on the first level. Incredible! Go up, go there, go around the cloud, and then... I need to move faster! Please move! Oh my god. Am I drunk? Am I high? Am I on drunk? Stop! What the fuck was that? Okay, let's make a bet, everyone. Come on. I think we're gonna end this just now on 51 lives. Just now on 51 lives. No more lost lives, I think. What more can I do? Maybe on like 70 lives. What do I need to do? Oh my god, it's so fast. It's incredible. Okay. Oh, wait! I know what I have to do! I have to go inside that green pipe here. Never mind. Okay. What? Hell yeah! What? What? What was that? Oh my god. Okay, here, slowly. Okay. Hit that, get the coin, jump here, around the cloud, here. This, I swear to god, this is worse than horror games. Jump, block, around the block, up, there, cloud. Okay. What was that? How did I jump that far? I lost the bet. It's 76 deaths. Go. Okay. What? I can't. Well, wait. I can't move. After I hit the flag, it just keeps going. What? I'm going crazy. Wallahi, I'm going crazy. Wallahi, I'm going crazy. What is happening? Okay, hold on. I think we got this. Oh my god. I didn't think it would be this frustrating. I swear, I didn't. 100 lives almost. Okay. Now, we gotta bring those. Now they come, and then... What the fuck do I do here? Do I go down? Hello? No, this was not a good idea, was it? I can't move there! Should I go around the flag? Do I not have to touch it? Okay, 1, 2, go. And then, here, I have to jump. There we go, and then... I have to go down? Do I? Or do I have to go here? Okay, down it is. I think I got it. So we have to go around the flag. We have to get that motherfucker from the sky to fall down, and then we have to go back and take the flag. This is the worst game I've ever played in my life. Yeah! Okay, now... Why would it work? For fuck's sake. And this is only the first level, are you kidding me? Okay, hold on. Okay. This, and now... Hell yeah! Finally! Oh my god, dude. What? Nah, you've got to be kidding. No, this is not happening, is it? They're gonna make us restart the game. Are you fucking insane? Okay. Hello guys, welcome to Camp Mario. We're starting all over again, and we have to freaking... Okay, this time... You don't wanna test me, do you? Come! Please, okay, we're back. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. We're doing something. Jump! Okay, now... What? I'm going insane! I'm going insane! I'm going insane! Stop! Okay, now... No, I'm not gonna get angry because this game wants me to be angry. I will not give it that. I'm going crazy. You know what? Whoa! Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. What? And now... He doesn't jump anymore! He doesn't jump! He lost the ability! He lost the ability to jump! Okay, and now... Okay, okay, now this, and now... I'm gonna break! This has to be some kind of joke. This has to be a joke, something. I don't know. What more am I? Why did I decide to hit the fucking thing before that made me restart the fucking game? Curiosity killed the cat, right? Fucking cat. Okay, please, 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 please. What am I doing with my life? 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 What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Stop! 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 One last try. I can't believe this whole video is gonna be just one level long. I'm crying. This has to be a fucking prank. This has to be... This has to be a prank. This has to be a prank. This is not possible, is it? It's not possible, is it? It's not possible, is it? I am beyond disappointed and beyond being able to be angry. I'm just disgusted by this game at this point. We did it! We did it! We fucking did it! We fucking did it! Finally! Finally! Let me just... Oh my god, I'm not gonna go there. Oh, should I? Guys, thank you so much for watching this fucking video. I'm gonna stop this first video just about here because I need a break. I don't know what happened. The level was pretty easy, but my brain didn't work. My fingers didn't work either. The game didn't want it to work. Nothing wanted to work. So we're gonna stop this video here, and the next video is gonna be the next level before I lose my fucking shit. Thank you so much for watching, and oh my god, I'm like, can you see the hair on my arm? Like, I can it fucking focus? I'm fuming. I swear I'm fuming. Like my head feels hot. I feel like I want to smash something. Fuck this fucking block. This block. Do you see this fucking orange block? That was the problem. That was the whole fucking... Anyways, see you in the next video. Don't forget, never play this game, then brush twice, floss once. Fuck this game. Kiss your dad for me.